guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to be filming in a different room. I'm not sitting on the floor in front of my couch anymore. For the longest time, this spare room had been kind of our catch-all room, and I've finally cleared it out enough to have my own space now to film videos. So I have a little desk and a whole little setup. So I'm really, really excited. So I am leaving on my Disney trip in 4 days. So I have had my Disney packing checklist on my phone going. I have been gathering everything that I have collected for this trip over the past several months, and I'm really excited to share everything that I'm going to be taking with me, some stuff that I ordered especially for this trip. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so of course I had to order some new t-shirts because I have a hard time wearing the same ones in consecutive trips. I don't know why, but I just love getting new t-shirts. It's like an excuse, you know, going on a Disney trip. So, okay, this first one is for my Epcot day, and I'm so excited about this. It says World Traveler on it, and it has the little spaceship Earth with the Mickey ears, and I wanted to get something that would look cute year-round. So I know we're doing kind of a Christmas New Year's trip, but I wanted to do stuff that I wouldn't have to wear it only at Christmas, if that makes sense. So I have this World Traveler tee, and oh, I got this from the Etsy shop. It's called Best Tees, and of course I'll link everything below in the description box where I got all of this stuff, but it's from Best Tees. The next one I got from the same Etsy shop is this gray t-shirt, and it says, "I like my food Mickey shaped," and it has the little Mickey ice cream bar, and again, another really cute one that I can wear year-round at Disney World. I don't have to only wear this at Christmas time, so I'm really excited. I clearly love neutral colors. I'm not big on bright neon t-shirts. I just love black, white, gray, just keep it neutral. That's my motto in life. Clearly, I'm like black and white, everything. I love neutral colors, so I can wear it with anything. So I have all of my outfits planned, and I'm really excited to bring these shirts. Okay, this next item is probably the thing I'm most excited about. And okay, I know I said that I had to do some stuff that would, you know, look good year round, but I had to do at least one Christmassy kind of thing, and that is these super gorgeous ears. I ordered these from the Etsy shop Octo Stash Crafts. They have the most affordable ears I have ever seen on Etsy, and they're actually really, really comfortable. They're really well made. I really appreciate the low price for such good quality. So if you're on a budget and you want some really high quality ears, check out Octo Stash. Her shop is unbelievable. She has some really, really cute ones, and I just thought these were adorable. They were kind of different than what, you know, is seen in the parks. So I love getting custom made ears to take with me because they're a little bit different, and I just think these are so, so pretty, and I had to have something Christmassy, so I'm just so excited for these. Okay, this next item is a little more practical. It's not as cutesy Disney kind of stuff, but since we are going during winter time and the weather is totally unpredictable, it could be in the 80s during the day and then it could drop down to the 40s at night. We just have no idea. Right now it's saying it's gonna thunderstorm the whole time we're there, but it could totally change in 30 minutes. You know, I mean, you know how it is. So of course I had to get something that would keep me warm in the mornings and the evenings, but that I could take off in the middle of the day and that I could either put in our backpack or tie around my waist. And I thought of this style jacket. So if you can kind of see, it's that down material, and I actually found this at Old Navy. So it's just a really thin down jacket, but it's really, really warm. And it's one of those that I could wad this up in. I think I can fold it into the size of the pocket of this jacket, and I can put it in our backpack. So when we're not really needing that extra layer in the middle of the day, I can just fold this up and it doesn't take up any space in our backpack. But then when it gets kind of cool in the evening, I can pull it back out. I just thought this would be perfect for a Disney trip. And I was really excited when I found this at Old Navy. So you don't have to order the most expensive brand. I honestly think this is just as good as North Face or Patagonia. Any of those really pricier brands, I think this is exactly the same thing, and I'm really, really excited. So I think it's super cute, and it's just very standard, but this was kind of a must-have for our upcoming trip. Okay, and the last thing I ordered for our trip is this travel makeup case. And I know it looks like one of those really old school CD cases. I pulled this out of the box when it came from Amazon, and my husband Andy was like, "What are you trying to get your CD collection back up and running?" But you know, that I'm like, no, stop, that's not what it is. So it's a really cute makeup case though. And it looks like this on the inside. So it has all of these different compartments, and I can rearrange it however I want based on what I'm bringing with me. So this was really, really, I don't know, I was really excited for this when I found this on Amazon. So what it does is you can actually take these out. So you can rearrange this however you want. I can take everything out, respace it what works for me and what makeup I'm bringing, and then these little things, they just slide right back in, and it's really easy. But on my last trip, if you watched my travel makeup bag for Disney, I was just bringing a regular makeup bag. It didn't have any kind of structure to it or organization system. I was just kind of throwing all my makeup in one bag. And honestly, I'm shocked nothing got shattered or broken because there was no protection with that, especially when you're traveling with a checked suitcase that's getting thrown onto a plane and tossed everywhere. And I just thought it was time to upgrade my makeup protection system to something a little more travel friendly. So I love this. It's kind of slick on the bottom, so I can wipe it down if I need to, if it gets dirty. And it's, I mean, this thing is not going anywhere. Like, nothing's gonna happen to this. I mean, this thing is pretty solid. So I'm excited to travel with this because it's just gonna give me so much more peace of mind with my makeup, not only for the organization aspect of it, but knowing that everything is secure and safe, nothing's gonna get broken in here. So another reason I love this is because on the top here, I can actually store my makeup brushes. So it has this little protective layer up here, and then I can slide all my brushes into this little pouch right here. It even has another zipper right here that I can slide my eyeshadow palettes in, and I love that I won't have to take my brushes in a separate bag where they're getting smashed. I can just put everything right here that I'm needing, and it all can stay together. This part folds back down, and I just think this is so amazing. So of course, again, just like everything else, I will link this below, but I know it's not the prettiest, you know, most trendy thing in the world, but I just think this is gonna be so nice to travel with. Of course, I'm gonna use this far beyond Disney World. So I just think this is so necessary for travel, especially for Disney. So when I'm getting ready in the morning, I can just unzip this, and I'm not having to take everything out of my makeup bag. I'm just opening this up. I can lean it up against the counter, and I have everything I need already laid out and organized. So I'm not having to kind of make a mess in the bathroom once we get to the resort. So I love this. I'm so pumped for this, y'all, clearly. So I've talked about this way longer than anything else, but I am really, really excited for this. Okay, so those are the items that I picked up special for this trip. I hope you enjoyed this pre-trip Disney haul. I love watching videos like this, so I thought this would be really fun. But make sure that you are subscribed for these vlogs. Those are gonna be coming out soon. And thank you guys so much for watching. That is it for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.